I drive the Love to Long Beach, swap meet, try out a new phone mount inside the roll bar. Stay tuned, coming to you. Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Sunday morning. I decided to take the Love truck out to Long Beach swap meet and try my new phone holder. As you can see, it keeps falling down until I figured out I left one of the brackets loose. So I tightened it and then it seemed to be working. Got a little vibration, but I'll be fading in and out of the video. Here we are, taking the Love truck to Long Beach swap meet. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm almost there. I was doing the time lapse for the drive out, but hey, hang in there. See, it's got a new mount for my phone, so I just added my gauge. It's how many miles to get here. Actually, I went to the bank first, so it's 18 miles, and that's my mile per hour. I don't have a speedo, so I just added this yesterday. I got the same one in the Vega, so I can see how fast I'm going. Before I was just going off the tack. Nice foggy day today here in Long Beach. I think it's supposed to be pretty warm going home. Got water in there. All right, you guys walk around. Check back with you shortly. Well, I didn't walk around and record anything, actually. I was going to do some cars and parts, but didn't able to do that. A friend of mine, Jim Black, showed up from Bakersfield, and we walked around and talked and looked at everything, and then went out to breakfast. And then I realized the only thing I took a picture of was his love truck, but at least I wanted to share that with you. And it was a pretty cool truck. Didn't meet the owner, but it's a nice truck. Well, I put it in lapse time for my ride home. Had breakfast with a buddy of mine and figured I'd do some recording on the way home with the new phone mount. Ran into my friend Aaron there. He has a Pro Street Vega and a couple other friends. So it was a great time. Really enjoyed it. Back from Lobby Swampy. Thanks for riding along, everybody. Decided to take the love truck to Long Beach. I wanted to try out my new phone mount. I got the same phone mount for the Vega, so when I go to Donut Derelicts or Quarantine Cruise, I'll bring you guys along. I'm real happy with the mount. It's easy to put up and on. I'm running about 190, a little less. Oil pressure, volts, manifold vacuum. Like 20 miles to Long Beach. Here's a nice day here in sunny California. It was foggy and overcast this morning. Man, this light takes forever. Alright guys, thanks for riding along. Like I say, want to try out the new phone mount. Little magnet goes to the back of the phone. Got the same one for the Vega. Thanks again. Talk to you guys soon. Peace out. Well, I just realized that after editing the video, I didn't do a walk around. Some people aren't familiar with the Love Truck. I mainly do stuff on the Vega wagon, but I thought I would bring the Love Truck out. The Vega wagon is not ready to go to Long Beach yet. We don't have the 12-gallon fuel cell in it, and it's still on still 13-to-1 motor running 110, so it's a little expensive. But anyways, this is the Love Truck. It's got a Vortex motor in it, crate motor, Chevy crate, high performance. Got a roller cam. It's got a turbo 400 with a shift kit. It's got a Chrysler 8 3/4 rear end. It's been updated with the green bearings and 373. It's not a sure grip anymore. I forgot what he called it. He put some new in there. Rear stock suspension. It just was moved in. And front spoiler, that's off of an 84 S10 where I flipped it upside down and then trimmed it and got it to work. But with the wind wings, you can tell it's a 74. It's got a newer 2-headlight grille, which Scott, the guy originally built the car in 86, he put that in there. And then on the bed, as you saw, the taillights were on the side of the tailgate. On a 74, they're below the tailgate, and then he also cut down the bed railing. So really love the truck. I've had the truck since 2011. And when I bought it, it was, I won it on eBay for like 650 bucks. It was just a roller. Rear window was there. Windshield was just sitting in there. There was no interior, no wiring. These rims weren't on it. There was no motor, no trans, no grill. So I called it that, I brought it back from the dead. But there she is in all her glory. Cal 88 hood. I made all the door panels myself. Nothing much there. Made the dash myself. Like I said, pretty much can't afford people to do it. It's not perfect, but gets the job done. I made the bed cover also, and I made the rear spoiler. So there's a quick little wrap around the Love Truck. Just want to share it with you guys. I'm gonna go finish and edit this in. Thanks for watching. So this is the pictures I dug up when I bought the truck. I think back in 2011, like I say, 650 on eBay. It had a green sticker, had no interior, no wiring. Basically gutted it. They put a cage in it, and then I ended up winning it, got it, brought it home, and brought it back to life.